Guys, what's up here? It's another video. I'm Lance and we're here with Chris or Mistian Fish. We're gonna do a 1v1 pistol fight or whatever. So pistols, right? Pistols, right? Oh yeah, I forgot to turn that on. Who cares? Where are you? Oh, run? It's on your left stick. You just...
Yeah, I figured that out. I kept pushing
Dude, where are you? Oh. Finally. First kill. Oh, dude, you scared me. Who screamed? Did you scream?
Yeah.
I thought it was your sister, dude. Your little one?
Yeah.
Oh. I picked the wrong pistol. I should have picked yours. I'm gonna use your gun.
Oh.
What?
I changed the picture for my channel.
What is it?
But now he's laying down on the side and it says Mr. Smith.
Mister?
Mr. Smith.
Oh. For real?
Yeah, but it's the same channel.
You need to change your name now.
I'll
No, but you know, it takes like more like multiple months to change it. Like you have to wait like multiple months to change your name.
whatever.
So where are you?
I'm looking for you.
I got your pistol. Yes. You're not here.
Where are you?
I'm at the blue house.
You're in the blue house.
Where are you?
I'm in the black. Oh, wait. Wait, the boat. But the boat blue.
Finally. No.
I'm gonna have to change my name to Mr. Fish. The Misters. Wait, what should it be? Mr. Fish. Fishes. Yeah, I'm gonna change. Wait. Mr. Fishes. I'm changing it to Mr. Fishes.
Mistian Fishes?
Yeah. Where are you, man? Dude, where are you?
Oh, we were planning the same thing.
No! Do you still have yours? Ah! Hey, I'm winning. Stay where you are, Chris, so I can kill you. Yeah!
Finally, I got the same gun.
Oh!
The RK5 is more better. I'm winning. Yes.
My one.
Hey, dude, we're gonna stop at 20, okay?
20.
Hey, dude, where are you?
I don't know. What? I just saw you. Where'd you go? You just disappeared. Ow!
Dead.
This is war. No! Get it!
Get wrecked. Suck Mabel's. Oh no! Get to the
Come on.
table.
Come on! No. Where'd you go? I saw you! Ah!
No!
You had the flamethrower!
No.
Yes, you did! Oh, God! Hey, that's not a freaking pistol! We're changing it up now, huh? Where'd you go?
Dude, where are you?
Dude, I just saw you. Where'd you go?
I'm in the same place.
You are?
Yeah?
Ah!
Yeah,
My
I
voice
killed
is
you.
cracking. Dude, my voice is cracking.
No!
Dude,
What?
I finally beat Victoria in the flip bottle
Oh
challenge.
yeah, I saw that video. I saw it. No!
Headshot.
You wanna go?
Yeah, I want to go.
Where do you wanna go?
I want to go to Taco Bell.
Yeah!
Yeah!
No! No! Fuck.
I just took you to Taco Bell school.
No!
Yeah!
This is truck hard. Oh no! You know what I got?
I got a
No!
go?
Where are you?
Ah! This turned to a freaking pistol gun to like a sniper and AK-47 war. Where did you go? You were right behind me.
You are right behind me? Oh my.
You were.
For real?
Yeah.
Where are you?
I don't know. I'm in the house now.
What house?
I don't know. They're both blue.
No, they're not.
I'm in the one with the fireplace.
Okay, thanks. You
I'm so scared.
Stop trapping me. Chris, where are you?
I switched houses. Ah!
Oh!
Where are you, Chris? Where are you?
Where are you?
Ew. I'm
You're
gonna
too
move your
big time.
feet up. Where are you, Chris? You can't hide forever.
Dude, where are you?
I'm in the house. Ah! Oh, I'm
Stay
in
down.
Chris. I'm at the orange house now, and I'm leaving it. Dude, it's such a small map, and we can't even find each other.
I know.
Ah! Dude, whoever gets 3 more kills is the winner. No, no, no!
Yes! Yes! My brothers!
We're moving.
Oh no!
No! No!
I'm gonna win.
Yeah! Okay, peace guys! It
We're
was a good
finishing this
game!
match.
Bye guys!
We're finishing this match off video.
Bye guys! Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and go follow Mistian Fish for better content.
Doesn't show up, then look
Peace,
up
guys.
Mr. Fishes.